To save or to spend? That is the question. It's a dilemma that everyone faces at some point in their lives. Whether it's a small decision or a big one, the choice between saving and spending can be challenging. Imagine you have a delicious chocolate chip cookie. It's warm, gooey, and smells heavenly. You could eat it all right now, savoring every bite and enjoying the moment. Or you could save some for later, ensuring you have a treat to look forward to in the future. This is a simple example of a dilemma we face every day, whether to consume now or save for the future. It's not just about cookies, it's about our overall approach to life. It might seem simple with a cookie, but the principle applies to many aspects of our lives. But what about bigger decisions? Decisions that can significantly impact our financial well-being. Decisions like buying a car, investing money, or even purchasing a home, or even planning for retirement. These are decisions that require careful thought and consideration. This is where the Ramsey model comes in. It's a tool that helps us make informed decisions. It's like a map that helps us navigate the complex world of saving and spending, guiding us through the maze of financial choices. It helps us understand how much to consume now and how much to save for a brighter future. By using this model, we can achieve a balance that ensures both present enjoyment and future security. The Ramsey model is named after a brilliant mathematician named Frank Ramsey, who was not only a mathematician but also a philosopher and economist. He wanted to understand how societies could create the best possible economic future for themselves, focusing on the optimal allocation of resources over time. His model, developed in the 1920s, still helps us today by providing a framework for economic planning and decision-making. It guides us on how to balance enjoying the present with preparing for the future, ensuring that we do not sacrifice long-term prosperity for short-term gains. The model's core idea is simple yet powerful, emphasizing the importance of strategic financial planning. It suggests that the best way to ensure long-term economic well-being is to find the right balance between consumption and savings, allowing for sustainable growth and stability. The Ramsey model considers three important factors. First, it recognizes that people prefer enjoying things today rather than waiting. We call this time preference. Second, it factors in the power of interest. Money saved today can grow over time, earning more money. Finally, it considers the overall growth of the economy. A growing economy means more resources and opportunities in the future. By understanding these factors, the Ramsey model provides a framework for making smart choices about saving and spending. The Ramsey model's applications are vast and varied, touching many aspects of our lives and society. Let's look at a few examples to understand its practical uses. Personal finance. Imagine you're saving for a dream vacation. The Ramsey model can help you plan your savings efficiently. It can guide you on how much to save each month, considering the time you have and the interest you might earn. This ensures you reach your goal without financial stress. Government policy. Governments use the Ramsey model to make crucial decisions about public spending. They balance immediate needs with long-term investments. Business decisions. Businesses rely on the model to determine whether to invest in new equipment, expand their operations, or hire more employees. This helps them grow sustainably. Climate change. The Ramsey model even helps us understand the long-term impacts of climate change. It provides a framework for evaluating the costs and benefits of environmental actions. It encourages us to invest in sustainable practices today to protect our planet for future generations. This means prioritizing renewable energy, conservation efforts, and eco-friendly urban planning. The Ramsey model might seem complex at first, with its mathematical equations and economic theories, but at its heart, it's about making smart choices today for a better tomorrow. It's a tool that helps us navigate the trade-offs between present enjoyment and future security. It's about finding the right balance between enjoying the present and securing a brighter future. By applying the Ramsey model, we can make informed decisions that benefit both ourselves and society as a whole.